I want to get a different perspective on why students study with us and show the diversity of all our students by talking to Sarah. And I also want to find out what they actually think we do as tutors.
What did you think coming back as a mature student?
Scared, terrified.
But what of?
Not being able to do the work because I'd not done academic work for so long.
Yeah.
That was my main fear. Just not being able to do it and like needing support too much. Before I just thought it'd just be like in lesson and then that'd be it. But now it's more like I get support all the time, even when I'm not here. Like, I get checked in on all the time, literally all the time. So I guess support. I wasn't expecting so much.
Why are you here?
Why am I here?
Yeah. Close to home.
You're not going to... Well, yeah. I'm here because my little boy's got CF, and when he was diagnosed, I were a full-time face painter, kids' parties, and I enjoyed it and I made good money, well, good enough. And then when he got diagnosed, I just wanted to earn more money, and I guess it gave me like a new perspective on life because his life expectancy is 38, and I think when I applied I was like 31.
Yeah, I think you were.
I was 31 and I just thought, wow, I'm not actually doing as much as I could do, and I need him to see me doing as much as I can do and just be able to take him everywhere. I want to travel with him basically.
I talked to Ricky and he was like, there's a lot of admin.
Oh, right, so you know, yeah.
So, yeah, I know there's a lot of, it's like 10% teaching and then the rest of it is like behind the scenes, like paperwork and administration and stuff.
Yeah.
Teach, but then at the same time have fun and help students get to good expectations.
Teachers the class.
You or teachers?
Teachers. If you told them what I did, I'd get fired.
Teachers the class. Helps with work. Helps with like other things like life advice and other things. Marks the work, plans the lessons. I guess for some things, exams and things like that. Does training. I don't know what that means, but
Teacher training day.
yeah.
We don't do that.
It's a lecturer, a teacher, lecturer, someone who teaches students how to do things better in the best way, more efficiently, and supports them to show them what is the correct way to make sure they get it perfect or like add decent quality to where it is. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Cool person, more comfortable with them, innit?
Well, obviously they teach, but they do stuff in their own time, which can help with teaching.
Inspires the youths. Shut
Sorry, inspires the youth.
I'm very PR managed.
You are very PR managed.
Inspires the youth and encourages development academically and also personality, and to help them further themselves literally and metaphorically.
So if you needed some support, to like someone to talk to if you need to get something off your chest, and someone to help with anything.
Cool.
I'd say a teacher towards me is just being spoken to the exact same way, as if they're not in higher power, as if I understand that you're my teacher and I just want to learn from you.
To help guide us, like with what we're wanting to do as a career kind of thing. It's just not what we do as well on like with photography. I came up to Dan about sole trader and like majority of what you need for when you go into your proper career, and like life advice as well. Like, you've helped me with that, like when I'm stressed and crying.
Oh, that's okay. I'm trying to think, what life advice have I given you? Don't become a teacher. No, I kept telling you. Cool.
Like try not to put yourself under too much stress. Make sure you've got time for your own. Don't listen to it, but it's still there.
I think the normal day-to-day job is just inspiring young people to be the best they can be.
Help us to achieve the best goal in our course.
Yeah, guiding.
Yeah.
What surprised me was how much students kind of understood what we did. Students understand that we're there to motivate, inspire, pass on our knowledge, but also they understand the extra things that teachers have to do. Aidan has already pointed out that about 20% of our job is actually teaching. What we do beyond our normal teaching is prepare and mark work. We're student support, we're counsellors, we ensure that students are safe from whatever that could be. We sort out work experience, deal with training, deal with last minute decisions made by management. We're admin, we do a lot of paperwork outside of our normal teaching. We organise residentials, which arguably is one of the best things we do for students and for ourselves. They're a lot of fun, and students get a lot out of visiting new countries and experiencing new things such as being on a film set. Unfortunately, the actual job of teaching isn't what a teacher or a lecturer actually does within a college environment. Although on the surface that's what most people see, there is much more to this kind of a job, and you have to deal with things that you wouldn't normally want to within real life, but you have to ensure that your students are safe. Also, being the technical one, a lot of the issues that I deal with are fixing student problems with the technology, with the computers, with editing software. From the student's perspective of what we do, I wanted to find out what new teachers think the job will be, why are they wanting to become teachers, and why work in education. I also want to speak to people that are teachers and ask them why they're working in education. What is it about? Why do they like it? And I want to find out why many are leaving the teaching profession.